That hasn't stopped me.
Good morning, my friends, and welcome on your journey to Storybook Land. My name is JC. I'll be your captain and storyteller for today's voyage. As a friendly reminder, keep your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat while remaining seated, and please supervise your children at all times.
The whale eat you.
And away we go, my friends, inside the menacing jaws of Monstro the whale. Who, yes, is the one who swallowed my friend Pinocchio, but today he's helping us on a special path that takes us to a magical place called Storybook Land. Now, most storybooks start with once upon a time, but this one starts with a big bad wolf who lives in a cave over here to our left, and is always after the three little pigs who thankfully live just across the way. One in a house of straw, one in a house of sticks, and the last in a house of a guaranteed wolf-proof brick. And just around the river bend, things start to get a little bit strange as we turn the corner on a small English village to our left, where one golden afternoon, a little girl named Alice chased the white rabbit down the rabbit hole, and into a strange place called Wonderland, where things always are curiouser and curiouser. And my friends, there's so many great places to visit here in Storybook Land. We can just ask the ducks that live over here in London Park to our right, where Peter Pan and the Darling siblings all learn how to fly high all the way to Neverland, where they never have to grow up.
Oh my god, you want to go in?
And right over here on the right, we have the city of Agrabah, where Street Rat Aladdin first met Jasmine at the marketplace. Though he stole a piece of bread, he also stole her heart. With true love and the power of the genie, they now live in the Sultan's palace happily ever after.
I don't think they keep fishies here, Bug Bug.
And now, my friends, we're smooth sailing underneath the twinkling arches of love, where both Jasmine and Aladdin fly over, sideways, and under on their magic carpet ride to a whole new world. Approaching quickly up ahead, we have the Cave of Wonder, where legend has it folks, if you rub the magic lamp, the genie will grant you 3 whole wishes. So now, friends, as we enter in the cave, let's all make a wish and see if it comes true.
See what I wish for.
Behind you, Mom! Oh my goodness, that is a lot of gold.
Escaping the evil queen, Snow White found safety in the cottage over here to our right, where she now lives with the 7 dwarves. If we all listen just carefully enough, we might hear them whistle and sing while they work in the mines. Cinderella wanted to go to the ball so badly, but unfortunately her evil stepmother forbade her from going. Thankfully she had a fairy godmother, and yes, friends, you guessed it, a little bit of magic. She was able to go to the ball and hear Prince Charming, where they now live at the top of the hill in their castle. And if you look to the left of the bridge in front of the 3 trees, you might see a pumpkin that used to be her carriage.
If I could have her sitting on the bottom. Yeah, you gotta sit on your bottom bum, okay? Poor JT scared you to go head first in the river.
I could swim, but
he's like, not on this date.
we don't want any swimmers today.
Some people dream of love, some people dream of magic, while others they dream of sleeping on a bed of perfect flowers like the ones to our left, inspired by the silly symphony cartoon Lullaby Land in 1933. And my friends, you can find magic in every corner of Storybook Land, just like in the miniature class to our right, where Peter Pan and the Darling siblings all learn how to fly high, all the way to Neverland, where they never have to grow up. Approaching quickly on the left, we're coming up on Mr. Toad's Manor. Unfortunately, my friends, if we knock on his front doors, he won't answer because he's on a wild ride to nowhere particular. And just over here on the left, we have the Showing Kingdom of Arendelle, where two sisters on and out front with the power of love and sisterhood live with their friends, Olaf, Sven, and Kristoff. We have the Pettis village over here to our right. With the help of the blue fairy, he was able to wish for a boy made out of a puppet with no strings attached. We all now know as Pinocchio.
Pinocchio. Oh, that's the trading post.
And just beyond the screen, my friends, is a story of a girl named Ariel who used her voice to get herself a pair of legs and a prince named Eric, where they now live in their kingdom, a part of our world. Along with their father, Tyler, the local just beyond the waterfall to our left, and they were on a call of Atlantica. And so the magic may come to an end here in Storybook Land. The magic never really ends at this. And just posted off, folks, to keep your hands on the section this inside the boat until I'm able to safely escort you out. It's been a pleasure having you on, and I hope you have a magical rest of your day. You're a good man.
Remember, we can't do the rides again, but yeah, you want to what again? Oh, the Dolphin Road. You mean the Dumbo? You like the higher ride.